Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aptitude for Life. This video is on how to make cubes up to 100. Here there is no such techniques or tricks which we have used in our last video to solve squares up to 1000. But here there is one formula. Through this we can solve easily up to 100. The formula is AB whole cube is equal to A cube, A square into B, B square into A, final is B cube. We need to multiply this middle two terms by 2 and add it again to it. So final step will be adding. So let us consider one example, 12 cube. Here A will be 1, B will be 2. A cube will be 1, A square into B will be 1 square into 2 will be 2, B square into A will be 2 square is 4, 4 into 1 is 4. Final one is B cube, so 2 cube is 8. Here we need to multiply by 2, so 2 2s are 4. Here also we need to multiply by 2, 4 2s are 8. So final step is adding. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 1. 1728 is the answer for 12 cube. Now let us consider another example, 24 cube. First step is A cube. A cube is 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. Next step is A square into B. A square is 2 square. 2 square into 4 is 16. Next step is B square into A. B square is 4 4s are 16. 16 2s are 32. Final step is B cube. B cube is 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. We need to multiply this middle term with 2. So 16 2s are 32. 32 into 2 will be 64. Final step is adding. Write last number as it is. Carry this 6 to here. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So carry this 10 to here. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Write last number as it is. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Carry this 5 to next column. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So 13824 is the answer for 24 cube. Now consider another example, 33 cube. First step is A cube. A cube will be 3 cube, which is 27. Next step is A square into B. A square will be 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Next step is B square into A. B square will be 3 square. 3 square into A will be 27. Final step is B cube. B cube will be 27. Now we need to multiply this 27 into 2. So 27 2s are 54. This 27 2s are 54. Final step is adding. Write last number as it is. Carry this 2 over here. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Carry this 8 to here. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Carry this 8 to here. 8 plus 7 is 15. 2 plus 1 is 3. 35937 is the 33 cube. Now we will consider another example, 42 square. First step is A cube, so 4 cube will be 64. Next step is A square into B. A square will be 16, 16 2s are 32. Next step will be B square into A. B square is 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Next step is B cube. B cube will be 2 cube, which is 8. Now we need to multiply this middle term with 2. 32 2s are 64, 16 2s are 32. Final step is adding. Now write last term as it is. Here 8. Carry this 4 to here. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 6 plus 4 will be 10. Carry this 10 to here. So 74. 74,088 is the 42 cube. Now let us consider another example, 89 cube. First step is 8 cube. 8 cube will be 512. Next step is a square into b, which is 8 square into 9. 8 square will be 64 into 9. So How to multiply 64 with 9? 64 into 10 minus 1. So 64 into 10 will be 640 minus 64. So which will be 576. Write it over here. Next step is b square into a. So b square will be 81 into 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64. Write it over here. Final step will be b cube, which is 9 cube. 9 cube will be 729. Now we need to multiply here by 2. 576 into 2 will be 1152. 648 into 2 will be 1296. So write last term as it is. Carry this 72 over here. 8 plus 2 will be 10, 10 plus 6 will be 16. Now distribute this 7 to these two terms. 129 will become 130, 64 will become 70. 130 plus 70 is 200, 200 plus 1 is 201. Write last term as it is. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 115 plus 20 is 130, 135, 135 plus 50 is 185, plus 7 is 192. 2 plus 2 is 4, 9 plus 1 is 10, 5 plus 2 is 7. 704969 is the 89 cube. In some cases there is no need to apply this formula also. For example, 70 cube. What is 7 cube? 7 cube will be 343. So since it is a cube root, so we need to add 3 terms. So 343,000 is the 70 cube. For example, 60 cube. What is 6 cube? 6 cube will be 216. So we need to add 3 zeros. So 216,000 is the answer for 60 cube. For example, 80 cube. 8 cube is 512. Add 3 zeros in right side. So 512,000 is the cube of 80 cube. For more such videos and tricks, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.